Hello and welcome to my channel. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, import scroll view from React Native. Import image and dimensions from React Native. Create two constants named screen width and screen height and giving them the dimensions of the window. It will adjust the width and height according to the screen. Create a constant for an array, named images or any other of your own choice, then pass the path of the images with their formats. I have already downloaded some images. Now performing some styling for the header. Now for the images, add scroll view. Snap to interval is a prop of scroll view that defines the distance between each snap point when scrolling. It has been set according to the screen width. Deceleration rate prop defines how quickly the scroll view comes to a stop when released, and is set to fast to make the scrolling feel more responsive. All of the images are stored in an array named images, and are passed to the map function to generate a view for each asset. The key prop is used to uniquely identify each view in the list of rendered components. Image component is used to display each image in the scroll view. The source prop is set to the current asset in the loop. As you can see, the scroll view is working properly. But the images are not rendered properly. To solve this issue, we will use the width according to our screen width in the view. Now, as you can see, it is rendered properly. If you want, you can also change the background color of the view as according to your requirements. Hope you liked the video. Please like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon. Have a nice day.